In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up AOL Mail IMAP settings. Whether you're looking to manage your AOL emails through Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or another email client, this tutorial will help you set everything up smoothly. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to access your AOL emails seamlessly on your preferred mail app using IMAP, which is a great way to keep your emails in sync across all your devices. First things first, open the mail application you want to use. This could be Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or any other mail client you prefer. When you're in the app, look for the option to add a new account. This is typically found in the Settings or Accounts section of your mail app. If you're prompted to choose a provider type, make sure to select Manual Setup or IMAP. IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, allows you to access your emails from multiple devices as it keeps your messages on the server. Now let's focus on the incoming mail server settings. This is crucial because it's what pulls your messages from the AOL servers directly to your device. For the incoming server or host name, enter imap.aol.com. This is the address your mail app will use to locate AOL's server and fetch your emails. Next, you'll need to set the port number. For IMAP, the port you should use is 993. This is the standard port for secure IMAP connections. Speaking of security, you will also need to ensure that your connection is secure. Look for an option labeled SSL or security type. You should select SSL, TLS, or simply check the box that says Use Secure Connection. This step is very important as it encrypts your email traffic between your app and the AOL server, keeping your information safe. Finally, you'll need to provide your username. This is simply your full AOL email address. For example, if your AOL email is yourname@aol.com, that's exactly what you'll enter here. This allows the Mail app to identify which account to pull emails from. And that's it! You've successfully set up your AOL Mail IMAP settings. If you've followed these steps carefully, your Mail app should now be ready to send and receive emails using your AOL account. Remember, using IMAP means all your emails will be synchronized across all your devices, so you'll have the same view no matter where you check your mail. If you encounter any issues during the setup, double-check each setting to ensure everything is entered correctly. Sometimes a small typo can prevent the connection from being established. Also, remember that your mail app might look slightly different depending on the version or device you're using, but the general process should be similar. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helps you manage your AOL emails more efficiently. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.